Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 7. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool or workflow that can dramatically increase your nomad income. Today, the Workshop Factory, how to build a travel-ready, AI-driven micro-workshop that sells, runs, and converts attendees into recurring retainers. Imagine designing a paid 45-minute workshop, slides, a hands-on exercise, landing page copy, booking, payment, reminder emails, and a post-session retainer pitch, all generated and assembled in under 10 minutes. That capability exists now, and for nomads, it breaks the time to income ceiling. You can go from idea to paid session between flights. This changes everything for nomads. Here's the promise. In about 9 minutes, you can create a repeatable, automated workshop funnel that sells tickets, delivers a tight 45-minute experience, and moves high-intent attendees into a paid retainer conversation. By the end of this episode, you'll have copy-ready prompts, a compact tool stack, an automation flow, and a 10-minute checklist to launch your first session. Section 1. Business Model and Positioning. Start with format. I recommend a paid micro-workshop, 45 minutes total. 30 minutes of focused instruction, and a hands-on 10-minute exercise. Then a 5-minute closing retainer pitch and Q&A spread across the session. Why paid? Paid workshops filter for commitment, increase perceived value, and convert better into retainers than free events.
Pricing bands. Test 3 tiers. Low touch micro, $25 to $49 for general audiences. Specialty niche, $75 to $199 when targeted to a revenue-linked outcome. Example, SEO audits for boutique hotels. High conversion live premium, $250 to $500 for industry cohorts with attached follow-up audits. Your goal is a funnel, paid micro, upsell a 2-session package, or a monthly retainer for recurring work.
Positioning tip. Sell an immediate outcome. Use this template in your landing copy. Leave with a ready-to-run 30-minute audit plan that gets you one low-effort win in 7 days. That promise creates urgency and an easy retainer conversation. I'll help implement the plan weekly for X months. Section 2. The minimal, travel-friendly tool stack. Keep it lean. 1. ChatGPT or an LLM API for outlines, copy, and speaker notes. 2. SlidesAI or Beautiful.ai for deck generation. 3. Calendly for scheduling, or Stripe plus Typeform for paid registration. 4. Zapier or Make for automation. 5. Notion or Notecard as your CRM and content vault. That's it. Everything runs from a laptop and mobile hotspot. Now, the exact prompts, copy these and paste them into ChatGPT or your LLM. First, workshop outline prompt. Write a 45-minute paid workshop outline for freelance SEO audits aimed at small hotels. Include 3 learning objectives, a 30-minute hands-on exercise broken into 3 steps, 5-minute Q&A notes, and a 5-minute retainer pitch that offers a 4-week implementation package. Use simple language and include expected attendee deliverables. Slide deck prompt for SlidesAI/Beautiful.ai. Create an 8-slide deck with slide titles and 2 to 3 bullet points each, plus full speaker notes under each slide. Include a 10-minute hands-on exercise template with editable fields, and a closing slide with a clear retainer offer and pricing tiers. Output as JSON or slide text for copy-paste.
Landing page snippet prompt. Write persuasive landing page copy for a paid 45-minute workshop called Audit to Revenue, SEO for Boutique Hotels. Headline, 3 bullets, price CTA, social proof placeholder, and refund guarantee line. Keep it under 180 words.
Email sequence. Paste these 3 short emails. Email 1, confirmation plus prep. Thanks for registering. Before we meet, please complete this 3-question form so I can personalize the demo. Bring 1 property page you want to improve. Email 2, 24-hour reminder. Quick reminder, workshop tomorrow at time. Bring your laptop and your top page URL. Email 3, post-workshop pitch, sent 2 hours after. Great session. Here's your audit summary and a limited offer. 20% off a 4-week implementation retainer if you sign in 7 days. Use a clear CTA link to book a sales call or pay for the retainer.
Section 3. Automation workflow and income mechanics. Trigger flow. Paid registration in Stripe/Typeform.
Zapier creates a Notion attendee record and triggers SlidesAI to generate a deck using the template prompt. Calendly invite plus confirmation email with a prep form, 24-hour and 1-hour reminders. After session, the attendee gets an automated summary and retainer pitch. Examples app steps: new payment, create database item in Notion, call slides generator, send email via Gmail/SendGrid, create calendar event.
Folder and asset structure in Notion, workshop template page, slides folder, landing page copy, email templates, attendee records, conversion notes. Keep one master template per niche so you can duplicate and swap the niche phrase quickly. That's your replication strategy. Run 3 paid sessions in one niche, measure conversion to retainer, then clone the highest converting template for the next niche. How this creates income. Conversion levers are price, specificity, and quality. Expect conversion from paid micro to retainer in the 5 to 20% range, depending on your niche and pitch. With a $99 workshop and 30 attendees, 2 retainers at $800 per month quickly scales. Time saved. AI compresses content and slide creation from hours to minutes, freeing you to run more sessions while traveling. Quick risk check. A few ethical and quality pitfalls and how to avoid them. First, quality drift. Always run a 10-minute human review of AI-generated slides and a single rehearsal before selling seats. Second, over-automation harms trust. Keep the final 5-minute retainer pitch live and personalized. Third, compliance. Use Stripe and include localized T&Cs and a privacy notice on your landing page. These checks keep value high and reduce refund risk.
A Sophia-approved checklist quick tip: add a single line in your registration form asking where attendees found you. That small data point helps measure channels without collecting unnecessary personal info.
Immediate action step, your 10-minute launch checklist. 1. Pick your niche and workshop title. 2. Paste the workshop outline prompt into ChatGPT and generate the outline. 3. Send the slide deck prompt to SlidesAI. 4. Create a Typeform plus Stripe payment or a Calendly paid event. 5. Wire a Zap to create a Notion attendee row and send confirmation email. 6. Schedule one dry run. That's 6 steps, 10 minutes if you keep it lean.
First prompt to run now. Say this out loud and paste it. Write a 45-minute paid workshop outline for freelance SEO audits aimed at small hotels. 3 learning objectives, a 30-minute hands-on exercise broken into 3 steps with deliverables, a 5-minute live retainer pitch that offers a 4-week implementation package and pricing tiers, plus speaker notes for each slide. Run it now, then open SlidesAI and paste the slide prompt next. Ship this week.
Course CTA. If you want the full templates, Zap recipes, Notion blueprints, and copy-ready emails, enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. The course gives you the exact automations, Zap/make flows, and landing page templates so you can scale without guessing. That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.